Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will show you how to remove the complex background. First, select the layer. Then go to the channels. You can also bring that from the window menu. Select the blue channel and create a copy of it. Go to the image menu, adjustment, and then levels, or press Ctrl+L. Apply these settings. And press OK. After that, click on the select icon, and it will make a selection of it. Now delete this channel, and click on the layer panel. Select the layer, go to select menu and click on inverse. Then click on add a vector mask. You can also add the background color. For that, create a new fill and click on a solid color. Choose your color. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.